Hi, welcome to Isabel's Kitchen, and today we're going to make some Brussels sprouts sauté. Okay, the ingredients we're going to need is onion, garlic, dry red chili, and soy sauce, oil. The most important ingredient we're going to need is going to be Brussels sprouts. Oh, and also salt. Let's get cooking! When your oil is hot, then you can put your onion inside. Now it's time to put the garlic inside.
And we're gonna use lots of garlic, Isabel. That's like what, 4 cloves of garlic, sir?
Yep.
Big cloves, yeah.
Now we're gonna also put the red dried chili with it also.
Yep.
Now let's stir it. Sprinkle some salt in it. Now it's time to put our Brussels sprouts inside. Now let's sprinkle some salt. Keep it for like 5 to 6 minutes. You can cover it too.
Okay. Now I think time for the soy sauce.
Okay, now it's time to put the soy sauce. It's all done. This is how it looks like when it's done. Now we're gonna taste it with rice. It's good. It's really good. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for my channel if you love all my cooking videos. And bye-bye. I'm gonna enjoy my lunch.